Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by setting the Casio to comp or normal mode. This ensures direct numeric log functions work. Enter the number whose log you need, that's your x. If you want log base 10, press log now. For natural log, press ln. Once done, note whether the calculator displays digits in scientific form. Make sure to adjust notation if needed. This first step gets you into the calculation flow quickly and avoids mode errors later. Now perform the change of base trick. Compute log x with log or ln, then compute log b of the base you want using the same key. You divide the first result by the second. Press the divide key and enter the second log value, then equals. This yields log base b of x. Use parentheses if your model requires explicit grouping. Repeat with different x or b as needed. This method works on every standard Casio calculator without a dedicated base key. Finish by formatting or rounding the output using DISP or the calculator's display settings so it matches required precision. To verify, recompute with a known pair, for example log 10, 100, equals 2 or swap computations to check consistency. If something goes wrong, check that you're in the correct mode, that you used the same log function for both values, and that you didn't omit parentheses. Tiny or very large inputs may show scientific notation. Convert mentally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.